everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra. Welcome to everyone who's new to the channel, and if you're new and you just clicked on the video, I'm gonna quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube, and I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. If you're interested in any other stuff, I will definitely link it below for you guys. Okay, so this is our third video for a makeup look for Valentine's Day. I already posted two already, and this will be my third one. I'm trying to get in a fourth one before Valentine's Day to give you guys another option of a look, just because, you know, it doesn't hurt to have multiple options. And like I said, if you don't have a significant other and you're just really like staying home and you have your kids, listen, get dressed for yourself, get dressed with your kids, do something. If your state is open, go out to eat with your children. Your children could be your Valentine's Day celebrating, or if you're home and you're not celebrating with anybody, still get dressed up. You know, dressing up boosts up your mood. It kind of like takes you out of the slumps, because I feel like I've been like that. If I don't get dressed for a while, I feel like I'm in the slump. Like today I got dressed for a TikTok video. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll definitely link put my Instagram on the screen, and if you follow me on my Facebook fan page, I'll put a picture here. I will definitely post a picture of the little video. I'll post the video I was doing for TikTok over there in those two places. But yeah, I just, you know, I needed to get dressed up. But today I wanted to give you guys a little different look compared to the other two looks. First one, we really focus on, you know, what did we focus on the first one? I'm trying to remember. All right, so I just remember, it took me a minute. It was more of a neutral palette. We was working with neutral tones, and the other one was a dewy look. So today we're working on this look. I really love this look. I think it's very sexy, very cute. So we're gonna work on this look today. If you have the palette, great. If you don't, like I always say, get shades of a similar on the palette that we're using. So we're using is the Black Widow Ulta palette, the collection they have. I did a whole review on this. It's in my channel. I'll definitely link it below for you guys. But I love this palette. I know there were mixed reviews on this, but I enjoyed it a lot. So I'm gonna flip it. I only use 3 shades out of this palette. Very simple, very not too complicated. I want to create simple looks for you guys that are not like, how can I tell you, too complicated, because I'm thinking about the person that is new to touching makeup and don't want like very difficult looks. So I try my best to give you guys more simple looks that you could play around with and have fun and not feel like makeup is so like scary to touch. Because I know many people feel like, oh, you know, it looks like I give myself a black eye, like my friend Sharina says, I like give myself a black eye. But it's all about practice. The more you practice on your looks, the better you get. And even if you just work with 3 shades and just build yourself up from there, that's all you need to do when creating a look. So only use 3 shades. I'm going to just point them out real quick. These 3 shades. Obviously, I will definitely give you more details. I'm going to get them closer. But these are the 3 shades that I use for this look. Very simple. Like I told you guys, very simple look. If you're scared to put lashes, obviously you don't need to add lashes in your look. You could go ahead and remove those and just focus on just adding some mascara, and that's it. And if the bold red lip is too much, like I always say, pop up a new nude lip or pinky lip, so you know, to avoid that. But yeah, so there it goes. I hope you guys enjoy the third video for Valentine's Day. We're gonna work on crossing fingers. I'm gonna cross them. And hopefully I could get you guys in another video soon. It's just a lot of things are piling up on me, and a lot of stuff started like backtracking a little bit, and my schedule got a little hectic. So I'm trying to get back on schedule a little bit, because the other videos were pre-recorded and kind of like saved me a lot to have those videos done. But I want to say thank you so much for checking out this video. If you love what you saw, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on my next one.